Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a vendor onboarding form in Refrens. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the different ways you can add vendor leads in Refrens. There are three ways you can add vendor leads. The first is manual addition. To add vendor leads manually, go to Vendor Leads and click Create Vendor Lead. The second way is bulk upload. Click the Create Vendor Lead drop-down and select Bulk Upload Vendor Leads. Add the vendor details to an Excel file, upload it, and you're good to go. In this video, we learn how to use vendor onboarding forms to collect vendor details through a shareable form and automatically add them to your onboarding workflow. So let's get started. From the left sidebar, click Workflow Forms. To create a new form, click Create Form. First, select the vendor onboarding workflow you want to connect to the form. If you haven't created a workflow yet, watch our dedicated tutorial using the link in the description below. Every vendor lead submitted through this form will automatically be added to the selected workflow. Next, select the starting stage for all new vendor leads. Once selected, click Save and Continue. Now, let's configure the form fields. Refrens provides a list of predefined fields that you can include in your vendor onboarding form. For each field, you can enable or disable it, rearrange it using drag and drop, and customize its settings by clicking the Settings option. To create a new custom field, click plus, Add New Custom Field. If you want to make it mandatory, check the Mandatory box. Enter the field name. This is for internal use only and won't be visible to users. Next, select the field type. Available options include single-line text, multi-line text, email, phone, URL, single-select radio, single-select drop-down, number, currency, date, Boolean, multi-select checkboxes, and multi-select drop-down. For this example, I'll choose number. Now enter the label that users will see on the form. Add placeholder text to display a hint inside the field before users enter a value. You can also add help text to guide users on what to enter. Once you're done, click Save. That's it. Your custom field is ready to use. You'll also notice a live preview on the right-hand side, allowing you to instantly see how your form will appear to vendors. This allows you to tailor the form according to your business requirements. Once you're done, click Save and Continue. After configuring all the required fields, it's time to customize how the form will appear to vendors. Start by uploading your company logo. This gives your form a professional look and helps vendors recognize your business. If you're embedding the form on your own website, you can choose to hide the logo. Next, enter the title that vendors will see, such as Vendor Registration Form or Become an Approved Vendor. Add a short description explaining the purpose of the form. For example, complete this form to register as an approved vendor with our organization. This helps vendors understand what information they need to provide. The form name is for internal use only. It helps your team identify the form later and is not visible to vendors. Under Submit Message, you can customize the success message vendors will see after submitting the form. For example, "Thank you for registering." You can also customize the Submit button text that appears on the form. Next, select the Reply to email address where you'd like to receive vendor replies. Enable the confirmation email option if you'd like vendors to automatically receive an acknowledgement after submitting the form. This lets them know that their application has been successfully received. You can also automatically assign every new form submission to a specific team member, helping streamline the vendor onboarding process. If you'd like vendors to be redirected to another web page after submitting the form, enable the redirect option and enter the destination URL. From the theme section, you can choose the appearance of your form. You can either use the default Refrens theme or inherit your website styling. You can also choose your preferred layout such as single column, two column, or auto column. A full preview of your form is displayed on the right-hand side of the screen, allowing you to choose the layout that best matches your website design. You can also enable CAPTCHA verification to protect your form from spam submissions and automated bots. Additionally, you can choose to hide or display the reference logo at the bottom of the form. Once you've configured everything, click Save Changes. Now click Publish Form and your vendor onboarding form is live and ready to be shared. Click Get Code to view the different options available for sharing your form. Just copy the form link and share it with vendors through email, WhatsApp, or any other platform. If you want to embed this form to your website, you can also copy the embed code from here and paste it into your website's HTML wherever you'd like the form to appear. Once embedded, vendors can fill out and submit the form directly from your website. All submitted entries will automatically appear under Vendor Leads, where you can review, track, and manage every vendor lead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.